This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scarnecchia. Beautiful 55 condo with great water views and well-maintained grounds. This 2-bedroom 1/1/2 bath with stunning view of the lake. Very large patio and spacious floor plan. Clubhouse has live entertainment, new fitness area, card rooms. Movies, plays, 2 Olympic-sized pools. Library, tennis courts, walking and biking trails, public golf course across street, great shopping and restaurants. 24-hour manned and gated security entrance. This unit cannot be rented. New air conditioning and beautiful water views. For more information, review the details below or contact Scarnecchia at 561-289-2066.